Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones Beoplay E8 Sport. And the first one, that you have transparency mode. You can enable it here and it's really good. The next one, you have bass boost. So you go here, sound mode, create new one and move it here. So you can enable bass boost. Next one, you have auto standby mode and you can enable in settings here. And the last one, that you can change this picture. So go to settings, product color, and in product color you just choose a color for it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!